The Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence Laboratory of Massachusetts Institute of Technology has announced the development of self-assembling robotic cubes. Each of the cubes is called an M block and has a flywheel that moves at 20,000 rounds per minute using angular momentum when the flywheel is braked. On each edge and on every face are permanent magnets that let any two cubes attract each other. The cubes can climb over and around each other, jump in the air and roll across the ground. The robots are now able to communicate with each other, a development that has taken 6 years to achieve. Without little arms and appendages sticking out of the blocks, it's a lot easier for them to stay free of damage and avoid collision.